Hi, Sir, Ma'am. I am Miriam Briones Salon. I am married with 3 kids, aged 16, 10, and 8 months. I living in Isabela. I graduated in high school. My work experience is in Kuwait for more than 6 years. I work for Arabic family with 4 members, 2 adults and 2 children aged 6 and 8 years old. They stayed in flat with 3 bedrooms and 4 toilets. My duties and responsibilities are cooking, cleaning, washing and ironing clothes, car washing, taking care of the children, playing and tutoring them. Sir, ma'am, if you choose me as your household worker, I promise you that I will be hardworking, honest, cheerful, and I treat your family as my own. Thank you.